Durians, the fruit king of Southeast Asia. We are proud that replanted majority is Musang King. It is not only popular among the locals but also export to various countries. To maintain a good quality of durian plantation, we need a lot of agricultural experience, teams and transportation. And the perfect vehicles for us is ISUZU D-Max 1.9 single cab to transport seamlessly on the big farm and handle the workload for everything. I'm Kevin, so I'm a senior agritech in Sindiyan Plantations. My role is maintain the technologies in plantations. This durian plantation is located at Lodging Highlands in Gua Musang, Kelantan. Sindiyan Plantation have gained the Malaysia Book of Record the largest Musang King plantation on year 2023. Our plantation have collected the durians averagely about 5 tons per day. Every morning, we will carry out a morning muster with the whole team. They will carry out their own tasks such as fertilizers, maintaining the grass, cutting. After they are collecting the durians, we will do a grading into grade A, grade B and grade C. The purpose of grading is to differentiate between the weight, sizes and the price. Each durian tree receives natural water from the waterfalls and also from our artificial lake and storage. To manage efficiently nearly 10,000 acres of durian plantation with over 300,000 Musang King trees, we needed affordable, easy to maintain and durable pickup trucks. During the MCO, we have insufficient vehicles due to our durian seasons. So we have done some research on the internet. We found that ISUZU D-Max single cab spec is affordable and have good reviews from many users. So we have decided to buy ISUZU D-Max single cab 1.9 as our company vehicles. I feel surprised that the engine power performance of ISUZU D-Max single cab 1.9, it has good horsepower, high torque, and it also equipped with advanced off-road features such as terrain commands. Differential locks can overcome most of off-road hurdles. They are very fuel efficient. It surprised me that it can reach nearly 700 to 800 km per tank. Whether driving in a durian plantation or on the highway, the ISUZU D-Max single cab 1.9 meets our needs. Definitely I'm happy with my ISUZU single cabs because it helps our plantation to run smoothly. During the durian season and regular days, our employee needs to work in the plantations. ISUZU D-Max 1.9 single cab has a very spacious cargo space. I'm impressed that the ISUZU D-Max 1.9 single cab able to pick up and move forward, performing well on the road and off-road even when carrying a very heavy load. This is sufficient to carry all the necessary items, making it an ideal choice for our needs. Sometimes working in the durian plantation can be quite dirty. The vinyl seat of ISUZU D-Max single cab 1.9 is very easy to clean and maintain. Since we have purchasing small unit of D-Max, ISUZU D-Max HQ is so helpful that they provide and arrange safety training section for us. This is very important to make sure our workers to use the vehicles in a very safe and efficient way. I'm very appreciate that ISUZU headquarters to provide us such a safety training. Besides D-Max single cab, we have D-Max double cab. D-Max single cab are for workforce purposes, whereas double cab such as D-Max Auto Premium 1.9, I will use as my supervision work in the plantation. I like to drive D-Max Auto Premium for off-road adventuring and scouting. Driving this vehicle make me feel more like on leisure road trip rather than working. It make me feel so relaxed, enjoying the scenery of the plantations. The ISUZU D-Max, it have a very good sound system compared to other vehicles. We are enjoying the sound system because it makes so much fun for our long road trip. Whereas for workhorse use, the ISUZU D-Max single cab 1.9 is indeed a powerful vehicle and is low maintenance and affordable to us. It's not only our daily transportation, having the right working trucks will help manage my business operation to be smooth. D-Max single cab are our great companions for expanding the durian business.